So hi guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a photorealistic photo of a person on PicsArt. So here we go. First you draw. Wait, what? Okay, so basically you put your opacity to 100. You get the size of your brush that you want. First you draw the nose. I can draw a better nose than that. Hold on. Then you draw the eyes. You draw the mouth. You draw the hair. And then there you go. Just like that. You've got a photorealistic photo of a person on PicsArt. Wow, that was a very simple tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Wait, but let me show you how to draw a more photorealistic man on his shoulder. So what you want to do is you want to draw the eggs. So there you go. Now you draw the body, then the arms, the head. Gotta draw the eyes, so you gotta make them smaller. Gotta draw the nose, and then boom, there you go. You have two realistic people in one photo. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, like and share to your friends and subscribe.